The meat smells wonderful tonight. Yes, the fire is perfect.
The hunt was successful today.
Yes, this is very good meat. This is very good.
Yeah.
The fat is dripping nicely. Can I have another piece, Father? This tastes wonderful. The children love it.
Here, take this one. It is well cooked.
Thank you. It smells delicious.
The meat is ready.
It smells wonderful. Let's eat.
Give me a piece, Father.
The meat is almost ready.
Yeah, it smells delicious. The child is hungry.
Here, give this piece to him.
The meat is very good today.
Yes, eat up, everyone. This meat is so tender, I might eat the whole pot myself. Be careful, it is very hot. Yes, here, give this to the boy.